Hey, this is Tony from Tony's Cabin. Tonight we're making some zucchini goulash. In the pan, I got some burger. I had 3 cloves of garlic that I sliced up thin. I had some zucchini, of course, and onions. I just diced them all these up. And it's a whole zucchini. The small kind. Don't get that big kind. They're tough. And the small ones taste much better. They got flavor to them. You know. And we're just going to mix this until the burger is pretty much done. And I have this on medium-low heat right now. That's pretty close. Now, the trick of the matter is, you're going to get some egg noodles. And I'd say use about half a bag. But, first of all, you're going to have to put some tomato sauce in there. Just regular tomato sauce. They didn't have big cans, so these are 15-ounce cans, so 2 of them. There it is, for the mix. Oh, making a mess. That's okay, we don't care. Tony will clean it up. Yeah, see it bubbling good? Alright, I'm going to turn that to low. Very low. And then we're going to throw in some egg noodles. Believe it or not. I don't know. It's about a half a bag. Half a bag. We're going to mix this in. Then we're going to let the magic do it. This stuff is going to, noodles are going to cook all by themselves. How can they? It's got heat. Okay, it's from the heat. And, alright. Now we're going to cover this. And we're going to check on it probably every 5 minutes or so until the noodles are done. When the noodles are done, shut that baby off. And the next thing we do, as you can see, it's still bubbling. When it's all done, we're going to slice up some mozzarella. This is the best part. Put some mozzarella in the pan. Mix it up, cover the lid, and then probably 5 minutes. That mozzarella be nice and melted. Make sure you slice it kind of thin. And then serve it up to your family. And I will post a picture with a short with my zucchini goulash when it's done in a plate. Alright guys, so look forward to that. Hope you enjoyed this. Quick and easy. What, it took me 3 minutes to put it together? That's not long, people. That's not long at all. Alright? Talk to you later. From Tony's Cabin. Bye-bye.